So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 easy fix. Such step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So what does Snapchat support code SS06 mean and how to fix it? So if you ever have received this type of error code, Snapchat code SS06, it's while creating a new account or logging into an existing account. So what does it really mean? It's an error message when you're trying to log into Snapchat or create an account. So this is due to repeated attempts or suspicious activity with your access to Snapchat that is temporarily disabled. So the quick fix to fix this is actually just by waiting it out. So the easiest way to fix Snapchat code SS06 is about waiting 15 to 20 minutes. So they can't do anything really about this anymore. So there you go guys. All you have to really do actually is just wait it out for 15 to 20 minutes because it's not gonna solve anything. All you have to do is just check the status of the Snapchat server. So you can actually go to your Google Chrome and then go for down detector at your browser and then search up the reports. If you see a massive amount, that means the Snapchat servers are down. So there you go. Then the third way of doing so is actually just by restarting your phone. So by restarting your phone, you might solve this problem. So the next one is turning off your VPN. And there you go guys. Those are just quick fixes that you can do with your Snapchat code SS06. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.